Don't like lie and say it.
Hear it?
Try it. Do what you did, because I can't hear it.
Rock.
Do it again. I can't hear
Don't go
it.
anywhere, babe.
Try it. Try what you did before, because it might get it out.
Try another spot.
All right. Set your beard on so you don't fall.
Motherfucking another rock. That's a big rock too. You hear it? You hear that rock?
Right.
Yeah. Or it's that hole or the.
Oh my god! I just dug 2 spots and there's solid rock.
Look at it. Jason, you're such a fucking man.
You feel it? You hear it?
You feel it? You hear it?
Dude, that's fucking retarded. That's 2 times.
Megan, let's go. Put this shit down. Come on. Not.
This is YouTube shit. Look at his pants.
Can you feel it?
It's,
You hear it?
it's gonna be more YouTube shit if I
That
put
is
it.
great. That is great. I don't care who you are.
I'm trying to hum the fucking struggle.
I'm the fucking rock again. You feel that?
You feel that,
Fucking
Eddie?
rock, dude.
Jason,
This is
pick
retarded.
a different spot on the ground. There's a goddamn huge rock right there.
That's a fucking rock. Oh, you got. Yeah.
Reeves, don't you dare try it.
I got this.
Now you try it.
Whoa. Maybe you should not pick
Dude,
that
I was right
spot.
here. Here's my mark.
You
Here's
should pick a spot
2,
that
4
doesn't
feet.
have a huge rock in it. Here, put that down.
It's probably all one rock.
Push
I
that
think
shit down so I can't do it myself.
it's a big rock.
Push that shit down.
Let's go over here.
Hey, Megan, let's go to Quick Trip.
Okay.
Fuck this, I'm not gonna do this. All
Yeah.
night.
Yep.
If you
Okay.
wanna go there, let's
We're
go.
gonna go. You have fun. Feeling that
You guys
rock.
just keep digging holes. We'll be right back. Come on, stop it.